welcome back to a very exciting episode of La Maison L'Oréal Paris, your one-stop for everything beauty. I'm Shalini Samuel and today I'm going to show you a few gorgeous hairstyles that look great with all your Indian outfits for the upcoming festivities like Karva Chauth, Navratri and Durga Puja. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more festive videos like this and also hit on the bell icon so you're up to date and you do not miss out any videos we put out. Believe it or not, your hairstyle actually has the power to make or break your festive look. And for that, I'm going to show you these two stunning festive hairstyles by using just two products. But before we get into the looks, it is very important that you prep your hair really well. And for that, I'm going to be using the L'Oréal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. So how I like to use this serum is that I take 2 pumps of this in my palms. So about this much, and I massage this really well. I apply this to my midlands to ends using my fingers, and I just use my fingers to kind of detangle it at the same time. What I love about the serum is that it is super lightweight and it gets evenly absorbed into my hair and it does not leave my hair feeling too heavy and sticky. Another reason why I love this serum is because it makes your hair so manageable before styling, and you can also apply this after you have styled your hair for that luxurious shine. In case you guys want to know more about this product, the product link is in the description box. I would also love to know which of the two hairstyles that I'm about to show you in the video goes perfectly well with your makeup and outfit, so let me know in the comment section below. Now, if you're planning to go really simple with your outfit and makeup, you can probably play up your hair and try something modern like the pin back open curls. Now, this hairstyle takes a little bit of work, but once it's done, you'll see that it's totally worth it. So for this hairstyle, we're going to begin by curling our hair first. So I have my curling rod ready here and it's at 200 degrees. So first I'm going to separate a section on the left side. I'm just going to separate this away so it doesn't come in the way when I'm curling the lower section. Now I'm going to take a 2-inch section on the side, about this much. I'm going to place my curling rod flat on the hair. And I'm just going to start twisting my hair around the rod outwards. I'm going to hold the ends of my hair like this in my hands. Now, in case you guys are not very familiar with using a curling rod, make sure you use a glove on the left just because you don't want to sort of burn yourself. Hold it there for about 10 to 15 seconds and just release it and open it in your hands. I'm going to do the same thing on another section right next to it. Again, hold the section in your hand, keep the curling rod flat on the hair and wrap it around, moving it outwards. Now, just a few tips I like to give you when your curls are moving around your face, like on the side that I'm doing it. It's just more flattering, so try making curls that sort of move away from your face like this. Also, make sure that you hold your curls in your hand for a few seconds so it cools down, and this way the shape of the curls are much more long lasting and it looks a lot more flattering. So this is how your curls are going to look once you're done. So once you're done, you guys can again add a little bit of serum into your hair just to add a little bit of gloss and shine to it. So I'm just going to take a little bit. And I'm literally just going to run my fingertips through the ends like this. I'm going to go slightly close to my roots, just a little bit, to smoothen any sort of frizz down. Okay, so first off, I'm going to start with taking a middle parting. So right from the center of my head, I am going to just make a middle parting all the way to the back. Now what you're going to do is start taking 2-inch sections from right at the temple, like this, and you're going to start twisting it towards the back. Just to add some volume, you can even pull on the twist, just very slightly. Take it towards the back. Just smoothen any sort of flyaways down behind. take a bobby pin and move the bobby pin inwards into the twist. This way your bobby pin will not be seen as well. Just like this. Again, take a section right below it. Keep twisting it towards the back. Keep pulling it on slightly to add volume. Make sure it's one below the other and secure it with a bobby pin in the center. I'm going to do the same thing on one more section. Keep twisting it, pull on it slightly to add some volume and take it towards the back. Secure it right under the second one. And this is how one side should look. Now I'm going to do the same thing on my left side. So this is how it's going to look once it's done. Now just to add a festive touch, I'm adding this hair accessory right in the center here. And that's how it's going to look. So this is how it looks, and it looks gorgeous, right? Now this is one look that'll never go out of style. Now our next hairstyle is the twisted knot low bun. It is glamorous yet simple, which is why I love wearing my hair this way. Now you guys can go an extra mile by adding some hair accessories and flowers to your bun. So to start off with this one, I already have a middle parting, but you guys can begin with a middle parting. And then I'm going to just section out two sections from the top till the top of my ear. Like this. So a section out on the right like this, clip it away, and then remove a section on the left from the top of the head till the top of the ear. Now with your hair at the back, just take that into a low ponytail first. Take it into a low ponytail. Now twist your hair around, forming a bun. Now secure the bun with a few U-pins from all the sides. So this is how your bun should look, and once you're happy with the way it looks from the back, you're going to start taking sections from the front. I'm going to split this into two halves. I'm just going to start twisting it towards the back. Pull on it slightly. And I'm going to take it around the bun. Take a bobby pin and secure it. So again, I'm going to twist this section, but I'm just going to leave some hair just to sort of frame my face. Like that. This will also give the bun a really easy and effortless look. Twist and pull on it slightly. Again, take it towards the back. And just take it around the bun. And secure it under it. This is how it's going to look from one side. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side as well. Now I'm just going to add a few flowers just to add a little bit of elegance to the entire look. Now lastly, we need to make sure that our hairstyle stays in place and that it survives all day. So for that, I'm going to be using the L'Oréal Paris Elnet Satin Hairspray. This product really helps in creating long-lasting hairstyles. It also protects your hair from humidity, which actually creates a lot of havoc on your hair. So just take the can, shake it and keep it 12 inches away from your hairstyle and just spray it on your hair. Now most hairsprays leave your hair looking very unnaturally stiff, but it's not the case with this one. This actually gives your hair a really glossy, natural looking finish, and that's the finished look. So if you like the way the twisted knot low bun looks, and in case you guys want to watch more bun videos, then click on the link here. So I'll definitely be trying both of these hairstyles, and I would love to know which of these two hairstyles matches perfectly with your outfit and makeup that you guys have got planned. Put it down in the comment section below. I would love to know. All the details to the two products I have used are in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. Also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and hit on the notification bell so you do not miss out any videos we put out. Happy Navratri, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!